Do you know many people are having trouble engaging the four-wheel drive in their trucks? Don't worry. In this video, we'll show you how you do this. Let's start. Step 1. Stop vehicle. Start by making sure your truck is completely stopped. For automatic transmission, press the brake. For manual, press the clutch. Step 2. Shift to neutral. Shift the transmission lever to neutral to prepare for engaging the four-wheel drive system. Step 3. Turn switch. Turn the front-wheel drive control switch fully clockwise, depending on whether you need high or low-speed 4WD. Step 4. Check lights. Check your instrument panel for solid indicator lights, confirming the 4WD is engaged. Retry if the lights are flashing. Step 5. Drive briefly. For L4, drive briefly and forward or reverse if the lights flash, then stop and repeat the process. Step 6. Switch back. To return to 2WD or switch speed modes, turn the control switch counterclockwise at the correct speed. After following these steps, your Tacoma should be ready to tackle any terrain with confidence. Still need help? Visit our website for the complete manual. There you will also find questions and answers from other Toyota users. Did you find this video helpful? By subscribing, you help us continue to answer users' questions. So, subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.